Back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Final Fantasy XIV Online game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, stuttering, low FPS, fatal error or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after you search for the game on Steam, you just go below and you will find the requirements to play the game. So here are the required specs. You must ensure that your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where a game has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem and the game still crashes, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to select the game. If the game is not listed, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch argument. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, type -dx12 and then check if the game is launching. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -windowed and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to stop overclock CPU or GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you should disable it, as this can lead to such kind of unexpected issue while playing the game. So make sure you stop overclocking of CPU and GPU in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to check for Windows update. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows update, then click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and then check. Next is to disable antivirus program as well as firewall. So for that, you have to first go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection, then click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. Now after turning off real-time protection, you have to close this. After that, again go to the Windows search for control panel. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall. After that, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. After that, click on OK and then launch the game and check. But make sure to come back again and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Wait for some time. After verifying the game files, launch the game and check. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, click on graphics settings. Open it. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check. Next method is to close background apps. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Task Manager. Now under background processes tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, click on end a task. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Once it is completed, close this. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch Steam and again log into the game and check whether the game is launching or not. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Now select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Now click on Set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check if the game is opening now or not. If not, you should check if the game is installed on SSD or not. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can suffer from crashing or other issues while playing the game. So you have to check it. For that, go to Steam. Now click on Settings. After that, click on Storage, and here you will find whether the game is installed on SSD or on other drives. So the game is installed on SSD, but if the game is installed on another drive, then you have to simply select it and then click on Move option. So this will move your game to the SSD, and after that, try to launch the game and check. But even after following all the above methods, the game still crashes, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam. Under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Manage. Now click on Uninstall and finally click on Uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your system restarts, launch Steam again and reinstall Final Fantasy XIV Online game. And once it is installed, click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these solutions are suggested to fix Final Fantasy XIV Online game: crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuttering issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.